Hello there, welcome back. Today we're going to remove and install a new set of shocks, rear shocks on a 2004 Honda Rebel. This procedure is essentially the same up until I believe 2016 is when the bike was discontinued. Pretty straightforward. So first things first, you want to support the motorcycle securely with the jack. Okay, and then you want to locate your shocks, which are right here. We're going to loosen this bolt up here, this bolt down here, remove the old one, and install the new one. Okay, so you're going to start with the 14mm socket. The bottom one's 13. That out, set it aside. And the top bolt is 12mm. Set that aside. I always put an extra support right here with a floor jack, so when you pull that shock off, it doesn't drop. Slides right out. I'm just going to clean this area out. Okay. Trying to get the new shock, which is here. This is an actual Honda OEM shock. I want to make sure the adjustment settings are on the bottom. Okay, this goes on the bottom. Make sure that part's on the top. I start the top bolt and tighten. And then here, you can kind of see how that's not lining up. So we're going to lift this up a little and try to get that hole lined up there. This is where the floor jack comes in. Now you can see the holes lined up. So you're going to take your 14mm bolt, right in there, maybe one more. Okay. So when you hear that shaking, you know that's nice and steady, and you want to tighten everything up. Okay, so we'll start with the top. And tighten. Now, tighten up the bottom 14mm bolt. Hand tighten, don't want to over tighten, you don't want to break off the bolt. That's nice and tight. You want to refer to your service manual and make sure you torque the bolts for the top and bottom to the OEM specs that are listed in the suspension section. And that completes it. Completes the repair. Make sure you subscribe and like the video, and we'll see you soon. Okay, thanks for watching. Take care.